Hey guys, welcome again. So I just got this bowl right here from Bolay, and it comes with, this is like lemon chicken. It came with like these two sauces, cilantro sauce, and I love cilantro sauce, guys, so good. I'm just gonna drizzle it on here. You see? Mm. Oh, it's good. I like the cilantro sauce at Polo Tropical. That's good too. But I don't know what they put in this one. You can literally taste the cilantro, like they blend it really good. So this is a healthy place, Bolay, guys. Like the rice and everything, they sell it like brown rice, black rice. They do have white rice, but everything is like all healthy. So this is a bowl. I got a large bowl. I got it just a solid large bowl. So I got just spinach and almonds. The spinach and almonds is A1, guys. You need to definitely check that out. The broccoli, which is this, I'm trying right now. It's really good. And the tomatoes is good. The mushrooms. Coming from a person like, I love mushrooms, but it has to be flavorful. So if you're a person that eats mushrooms and don't like mushrooms, you will love the mushrooms over here because they season is phenomenal. Very good. You see, I dipped it up in this sauce, guys. I'm gonna try the chicken, the rotisserie chicken. So they season it really good. But I like ordering from here because their salmon is good too. And also I like the skin of my chicken. The skin is very crispy, it's so good. Juicy too. But you see how big all this is? I'm not gonna finish this, but they definitely give you your money's worth. This is the mushroom. They season it with fresh garlic and olive oil. So good. Yummy. You guys should definitely check them out. I'm trying to get to the spinach in here so I can show you guys the spinach is at, but they have fresh avocado there too, but I didn't want to get all that because I have all of this. And I think I have enough protein, you know? It's good. You guys need to check out this place. It's called Bolay. They're around all different states. And there's a whole lot of them down here in Florida. So you guys need to check them out for sure. But I don't know, some people don't like skin on their chicken. I like skin on mine. Even when I make salmon, I like the skin on my salmon because it's actually good for you if you don't realize. the skin. That's just other people, but like everyone has a preference, but I like it when, yeah. It's good. Mm. It's so good. Have you guys tried the cilantro sauce in Chipotle? The sauce is good, but it's very spicy. And I would choose Polo Tropical green cilantro sauce over Chipotle cilantro sauce because it's very spicy. Now, if you guys can handle the spice, then, you know, but it's very spicy. That was definitely a 10 out of 10. They gave me my money's worth. And it's really good. They also have like turmeric sauce. So good, guys. Comment down below, guys, if you like this video. I know it was short, but I wanted to do a quick little review of this bowl I got. It's healthy. I didn't add any rice. All this is just protein. I'm trying to watch my weight, so yeah. Comment down below, guys, if you like. Have you ever been to Bolay before? Ble Kitchen, that's what it's called. Comment down below. Let me know what you tried over there. And also, comment, like, and subscribe, guys. And I will see you in my next video.